I'm gonna take a brand new Shopify store from $0 to $1,000 in just a week. I will show you exactly how I find my winning product, the store I'm gonna build, and also the ads I'm gonna make. By the end of this video, you should be able to replicate my success 1-to-1. But now let's start with step number 1, which is to find a winning product. Now, there are of course a lot of different ways you can go about this. For example, you can scroll on paid tools like AutoDS, or you can scroll on a TikTok burner account. I decided to go with the TikTok burner account this time, and it was pretty simple. I was basically just scrolling on TikTok, interacting with all of these ad-like videos so that I got shown more of them. And there were a lot of products I've never seen before that were really cool, but of course also a lot of old products, and dropshipping something like this just doesn't work anymore. I spent a total of 2 hours scrolling on my phone when I came across this product right here. This is like a LED bendable screen you can control with an app, and I personally wanted one for myself, so I think this could work for a lot of other people too. So after that I just searched the product up, and luckily it wasn't too expensive. I found it here for around $25, and I could easily sell this for $80 plus on my own store. And I mean, that leaves us with a pretty good margin. So I imported it to my store and then went on with building the store. So the first thing I did was changing this main menu so that there wasn't a collection on my store, but rather just one product page for my product. Then I also did some minor things such as deactivating this vendor icon and also this related products tab. Now for the colors, I always try to go with something simple and clean and that works for the target audience, because you don't want to have an all pink store when your target audience are 30-year-old males. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. So I went with this darker blackish as a background color, and then also the screen as a nice accent, and I think it looked really good. Now for my product description, I basically added some images and some nice text, and also I made this GIF with this Easy GIF website, because these GIFs are just really nice to showcase your product a bit more and are way better than just static pictures. After that I imported some product reviews, and I also added this volume boost and product options app. They are part of an exclusive offer I got from Hulk Apps, and in this offer you get a lot of these really good apps for just $100, and normally they are worth way more than that. Additionally, you will get a free Shopify theme, and all of the apps come in the second premium paid plans. You also have the option to get a package with this mobile app builder, which is $150, and the mobile app builder is normally $150 on its own, so you basically get these 20 apps for free. So I put the apps on my store, and here you can see the volume boost discount app, and here also the product options app. This will definitely get me a lot more sales on the store and help me reach that $1,000 target. So I will leave you a link in the description down below to this exact package, so check that out because it's really worth it. Now that the store was finished, it was time for a little tour. I think the store looks really cool and also not messy like some other stores. Here we have the product images, the GIF, and also the nice little text. And then coming down here, we have the reviews. And a quick little tip for the reviews: if you have some time for your store, then definitely read through your imported reviews, because sometimes there's just some really weird messages in there and you don't want to have them on display. But after finishing the store, it was time for the next step, which was getting some nice ad creatives and then run ads for the product. Since we are trying to get to $1,000 on the store, the ad creatives just couldn't be some bad quality, quickly put together ones, and had to be good, and that's why I chose to go with viral e-com ads. I'm telling you guys, with these ad creators from viral e-com ads, you will get a lot of sales. And I'm not the only one getting sales. I mean, if you just look at these various examples, you can see that a lot of people made a lot of sales with these exact ad creatives they got. And I mean, big dropshipping influencers use them too, and I think they know what they're doing. So I went ahead and chose this TikTok split testing package, where I got 3 different ad creatives, and I only had to pay $12 since I'm in the VIP program, where you get up to 75% off on everything. So a couple of days later, I got the ad creatives, and they were really nice. So if you're looking to make some money from dropshipping, I would definitely recommend to get your ad creatives from them, and you can get 15% off through the link in the description, so check it out. So after I had my ad creatives, it was time to run ads. So I went on TikTok ads and created a new campaign, and then I chose conversions here and then left everything else blank on the first page. And then what you absolutely need to do is turn off the comments, since you don't want to be flamed in the comments for dropshipping by all of these haters, so just turn them off. Then I chose to target the UK but left everything else pretty broad. After that I put my ad spend to $100 a day, and I know that's absolutely crazy for testing, but if you want to get some sales fast, that's the way to do it. And then last step for me was basically just to upload my ad creatives and then write some nice call to actions and then submit them. After I submitted them, they were accepted. Then the first day of running the ads, I got a total of 3 sales totaling in $225 made. Then on the second day it was looking a bit worse since we only got 2 sales, which means we were not really making any profit on that day. But we were still on a good track to make those $1,000 since in total we had made $375. But since I really wanted to complete this challenge within a week, I did something crazy. So I put the ad spend to $300 a day for the next day. So the last day I ran it on this really high budget, I got a total of 5 sales. Now the good thing was that somebody ordered it twice, so we sold 6 items, which means we made another $375 that day. And if you add that to the total, we made $825 in this week. Now even though it's not really $1,000, it's really close, so I'm still gonna call this challenge a success. So for more dropshipping content, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys.